Hi, my name's Andy Wood, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install presets and profiles into Lightroom Classic. Okay, as you can see, we're in Lightroom Classic and we are in the Develop tab. So the first thing you need to do is go to File, Import Develop Profiles and Presets, and then navigate to where you have the downloaded zip file that contains the presets. Now, just a quick way, when if you download some of my presets, if I've included mobile presets with the desktop, then I zip the mobile folder and the a zipped file with the desktop presets together, and I mark them with the name of the presets, and then I put unzip first. So if that's what you have from me, you need to double click that to unzip it, and then you'll find the folder with the mobile presets in it, and you'll also see a second zip file, and that second zip file contains the desktop presets. So that's the file that you're looking for. So you navigate to the zip file that contains the presets and just click import. And then, as you can see on the left hand side there are the presets. Now for profiles, it's almost exactly the same. So we go here and we navigate to where we have the zip file for the profiles. So in this case we're going to install the movie poster profiles and click import. And then to see them, if you go over to the panel, the basic panel on the right hand side, click on these this icon with the four little windows, and there you can see them. They're the movie profiles already installed. So it really is as simple as that.